Hi, in the lush green beauty of the garden, we find and discuss about the six-spot zigzag ladybug. The zoological name of six-spot zigzag ladybug is Cleomene saxmaculata. It is a species of beetle belonging to the family Coccinellidae. Six-spot zigzag ladybug is easily recognized by their specific body appearance, ecological importance, and their role in agricultural pest control. Six-spot ladybird have small oval-shaped body with round and domed appearance, ranging from 5 to 8 millimeters in length. The most notable feature of the six-spot ladybird is bright red or orange elytra, beautified with six black spots arranged symmetrically, hence named as six-spot ladybird. The morphology of six-spot ladybird encompasses various physical characteristics and contribute to its specific body appearance and ecological adaptation. Six-spot ladybird have compact and rounded body structure. Their body is divided into three main components: head, thorax, and abdomen. The head is a house of sensory organs, mouth parts for feeding, and compound eyes for vision. The thorax contains the legs and wings, aiding in movement and flight. The abdomen is a house of various internal organs and reproductive structures. Six-spot ladybird have small body size ranging from 5 to 8 millimeters in length, and the individual size vary depending on the species. The exoskeleton of six-spot ladybird is hardened and smooth, providing protection against physical damage and environmental stress. The exoskeleton have glossy textures, enhancing visual appeals of their vibrant coloration. While appearing delicate, exoskeleton serve as barrier against predators and environmental hazards. Like all beetles, six-spot ladybirds have hardened pair of forewings called elytra, which protect delicate hindwings used for flight. The elytra is hard and durable, provide protection against predators. During flight, the elytra are raised, allowing the hindwings to unfold and generate lift. The antenna of the six-spot ladybird is short and delicate, aiding in sensory perception and detecting chemicals such as pheromones. The legs of six-spot ladybird are well developed, equipped with claws grasping for surfaces, facilitating locomotion and capturing prey. Adaptations enable six-spot ladybug to navigate their diverse habitats and engage in predatory behavior effectively. Taxonomic classification of six-spot ladybirds includes kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Insecta, order Calyptera, family Coccinellidae, genus Cleomenes, species Cleomene saxmaculata. Spot ladybirds widely distributed in tropical and subtropical regions including parts of Asia and Africa. Range of ecosystems including forest, gardens, agricultural landscapes, and urban areas. The six-spot ladybirds can often be found on plants where they prey on aphids and other small insects. As voracious predators of aphids, scale insects, and other soft-wooded pests, six-spot ladybirds play a vital role in natural pest controls. They consume vast quantities of these pests, helping to regulate their population and natural pest control and ecological balance. Their diet primarily consists of sap-sucking insects found on varieties of plant species. The behavior of six-spot ladybird is fascinating. and reflect its predatory role in various ecosystems. Six sport ladybugs are active during the day, exhibiting diurnal behavior pattern. They are observed foraging for food, mating, and engaging in other activities during daylight hours. As member of the family Coccinellidae, six-spot ladybird are voracious predators, particularly detecting soft-bodied insects such as aphids, scale insects, and mites. Their diet consists of these pests, which they detect using chemical cues and visual stimuli. Once prey is detected, they approach and capture it by using their specialized mouth part. Six-spot ladybird exhibit gregarious behavior, especially when resources are abundant. During periods of high prey availability, multiple individuals aggregate in some areas, especially on plants infested with aphids. Behavior enhance their effectiveness in controlling pest population. Six-spot ladybird possesses chemical defense against predators. When threatened, six-spot ladybirds release foul-smelling compounds or reflex bleed from their leg joints, deterring potential predators such as birds and other insects. Temperate regions, six-spot ladybird exhibit overwintering behavior to survive in environmental harsh conditions. They seek out shelter locations in services such as in buildings and barks of trees or hollow trees. Overwintering behavior allows them to survive in harsh conditions in cold temperatures until a warmer temperature comes. Spot ladybird is agile and capable of rapid movements, allowing them to efficiently navigate through foliage in search of food, in search of prey. They employ sit and wait strategy, perching on plant stem and navigate their surroundings in search of prey. Once prey is detected, they move quickly to approach prey and capture it by using their specialized mouth part. Six-spot ladybirds reproduces sexually. Mating occurs during the warmer months when the resources are plentiful. After mating, the female lay clusters of egg underside of leaves where aphids colonies are found. The egg hatch into larvae and undergo several molds before pupating. The pupal stage varies from few days to several weeks depending on the environmental condition before emerging as adult ladybirds. Six-spot ladybirds do not have significant medical importance, although six-spot ladybirds release chemical compounds or reflex bleed from their leg joints which cause allergic reaction in some individuals. Spot ladybirds play a vital role in insect populations such as aphids, small insects and other mites and other plant pests. They are also a prey for birds and insectivorous animals and also play a crucial role in local food web. With us and watch quality knowledge from thinkers of biology. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.